Christ consciousness is a profound concept that embodies a state of awareness and spiritual enlightenment, transcending traditional religious boundaries. It signifies a deep connection to divine love, compassion, and unity, serving as a guiding light for those on their spiritual journeys. In today's rapidly evolving spiritual landscape, the relevance of Christ consciousness is increasingly recognized as individuals seek deeper meaning and connection in their lives. Historically, Jesus, also known as Yeshua, is often viewed as the quintessential embodiment of this consciousness. His teachings and actions exemplified unconditional love, forgiveness, and the importance of inner transformation, inspiring countless individuals to pursue their own spiritual awakenings. By understanding Jesus not merely as a religious figure, but as a representation of Christ consciousness, we can appreciate the universal principles he advocated, which resonate across various spiritual traditions. This perspective invites us to explore the essence of Christ consciousness beyond dogma, encouraging a personal and experiential understanding of spirituality. As we delve into the diverse interpretations and teachings surrounding Christ consciousness, we open ourselves to a wealth of insights that can enrich our spiritual practices. This exploration will reveal how Christ consciousness can serve as a catalyst for personal transformation, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and purpose in our lives. Ultimately, embracing this consciousness can lead to profound shifts in awareness, guiding us toward a more compassionate and harmonious existence. Christ consciousness can be defined as a heightened state of awareness characterized by profound love, compassion, and unity with all beings. At its core, this consciousness embodies several key attributes that facilitate spiritual evolution and awakening. One of the primary attributes is discernment, which allows individuals to navigate life with clarity and wisdom, distinguishing between truth and illusion. The awakened heart center is another essential aspect, fostering deep empathy and connection to others, enabling individuals to act from a place of love rather than fear. Dharma, or one's life purpose, plays a crucial role in aligning actions with higher intentions, guiding individuals toward fulfilling their unique contributions to the world. Sovereignty, the ability to govern oneself and make empowered choices, is vital for personal growth and self-realization, allowing individuals to embrace their true essence without external influence. Together, these attributes create a foundation for spiritual evolution, encouraging individuals to transcend limiting beliefs and embrace their divine potential. Moreover, Christ consciousness serves as a baseline for collective consciousness, offering a framework for humanity to evolve together. As more individuals awaken to this consciousness, the collective vibration of society shifts toward love, compassion, and understanding. This transformation fosters a sense of interconnectedness, reminding us that our spiritual journeys are intertwined. By embodying the attributes of Christ consciousness, we contribute to a collective awakening, paving the way for a more harmonious and enlightened world. Ultimately, embracing these qualities can lead to profound personal and societal transformation. Discernment is a vital attribute within Christ consciousness, intricately linked to wisdom and the accumulation of past experiences. It involves the ability to perceive and understand the deeper truths behind situations, teachings, and interactions, allowing individuals to make informed choices that align with their spiritual path. This process of discernment is not merely intellectual, it draws upon the lessons learned from previous experiences, enabling one to navigate the complexities of life with greater clarity and insight. In the realm of spiritual teachings, discernment becomes essential, as the abundance of information available can often lead to confusion or misinterpretation. By cultivating discernment, individuals can sift through various doctrines and philosophies, identifying those that resonate with their inner truth and contribute positively to their spiritual journey. Moreover, discernment is closely tied to the concept of free will, which plays a crucial role in spiritual growth. It empowers individuals to exercise their autonomy in choosing paths that foster their development, while recognizing that each choice carries consequences. This connection emphasizes the importance of being mindful and intentional in one's decisions, as discernment allows for a deeper understanding of how actions align with one's higher purpose. Ultimately, as individuals embrace discernment within the framework of Christ consciousness, they enhance their ability to navigate their spiritual journeys with wisdom and integrity. This practice not only enriches personal growth but also contributes to a more conscious and compassionate collective experience, fostering a deeper connection among all beings. Sophia, often regarded as the Aeon of wisdom, holds a profound connection to Christ consciousness, embodying the divine feminine aspect of spiritual enlightenment. In many traditions, Sophia represents the wisdom that guides seekers toward deeper understanding and truth. Her essence complements the teachings of Christ, as both emphasize the importance of love, compassion, and inner awakening. The relationship between Sophia and Christ is often viewed as a harmonious balance of masculine and feminine energies, illustrating how both aspects are essential for spiritual growth and evolution. The concept of twin flames further enriches this relationship, particularly in the context of Sophia and Yeshua. Twin flames are believed to be two souls that share a deep intrinsic connection, often reflecting each other's strengths and weaknesses. In this framework, Sophia and Yeshua can be seen as twin flames, where Sophia's wisdom complements Yeshua's teachings of love and redemption. This dynamic encourages individuals to seek balance within themselves, integrating both wisdom and love as they navigate their spiritual journeys. Integrating wisdom and discernment into spiritual practice is crucial for personal growth and understanding. By embodying the qualities of Sophia, seekers can cultivate a deeper awareness of their inner truths, allowing them to make informed choices that align with their higher purpose. This integration fosters a more holistic approach to spirituality, where love and wisdom coexist, guiding individuals toward a more profound connection with themselves and the divine. Ultimately, the relationship between Sophia and Christ consciousness serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of balance in our spiritual pursuit. The esoteric meanings behind Christ consciousness delve into the symbolic interpretations of creation myths that intertwine the figures of Christ and Sophia. These myths often illustrate the emergence of divine consciousness and the interplay between wisdom and love. In many traditions, the narrative of creation reflects the union of masculine and feminine energies, with Christ representing the divine masculine and Sophia embodying the divine feminine. This symbolic relationship emphasizes the importance of balance in the spiritual journey, suggesting that true enlightenment arises from the harmonious integration of these energies. Metaphysically, Christ consciousness offers profound implications for navigating duality. It invites individuals to transcend the limitations of dualistic thinking, recognizing that opposites such as light and dark, good and evil are part of a greater whole. This awareness fosters a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all existence, encouraging seekers to embrace their experiences without judgment. By embodying Christ consciousness, individuals can cultivate a sense of unity amidst the apparent dualities of life, leading to greater peace and acceptance. Central to this journey is the heart center, which plays a crucial role in balancing masculine and feminine energies. The heart serves as a bridge between the intellect and intuition, allowing individuals to access deeper wisdom and compassion. By nurturing the heart center, one can harmonize the qualities of both Christ and Sophia, fostering a state of being that embraces love, discernment, and understanding. Ultimately, the esoteric meanings of Christ consciousness guide individuals toward a more integrated and enlightened existence, where the divine interplay of energies enriches their spiritual path. In Kabbalah, the concept of the middle pillar represents a pathway to unity consciousness, serving as a bridge between the divine and the earthly realms. This pillar symbolizes the balance and integration of opposing energies, facilitating a harmonious flow of spiritual energy. Christ is often viewed as the embodiment of this middle pillar, representing the synthesis of masculine and feminine qualities, as well as the union of heaven and earth. His teachings and life exemplify the principles of love, compassion, and understanding, guiding individuals toward a state of unity with the divine and with one another. By embodying the balance between opposing energies, Christ illustrates the importance of navigating duality with grace. He demonstrates how to embrace both light and shadow, encouraging seekers to acknowledge and integrate all aspects of themselves. This balance is essential for spiritual growth, as it allows individuals to transcend limiting beliefs and cultivate a deeper connection to their true essence. Moreover, the significance of free will in achieving spiritual ascension cannot be overstated. In the context of the middle pillar, free will empowers individuals to make conscious choices that align with their higher purpose. It invites them to engage actively in their spiritual journeys, fostering personal responsibility and accountability. By exercising free will, individuals can choose to embody the qualities of Christ, facilitating their own ascension, while contributing to the collective evolution of consciousness. Ultimately, Christ as the middle pillar in Kabbalah serves as a powerful reminder of the potential for balance, unity, and spiritual growth within each individual. The heart center plays a pivotal role in transmuting energies, often likened to the philosopher's stone in spiritual practice. Just as the philosopher's stone is said to transform base metals into gold, the heart center has the capacity to transmute lower vibrational energies into higher states of consciousness. This transformation occurs through the heart's ability to cultivate love, compassion, and forgiveness, allowing individuals to shift their emotional and energetic states. By connecting with the heart center, practitioners can access a profound source of healing and transformation, enabling them to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. The process of transmuting imbalances through consciousness involves recognizing and acknowledging negative emotions or energies that may arise. When individuals bring awareness to these imbalances, they create an opportunity for healing. The heart center acts as a conduit, facilitating the release of these lower energies and replacing them with higher frequencies of love and light. This conscious engagement allows for a deeper understanding of oneself and fosters emotional and spiritual growth. Awareness is crucial in achieving spiritual harmony, as it empowers individuals to observe their thoughts and feelings without judgment. By cultivating mindfulness, one can identify patterns that may hinder their spiritual progress and consciously choose to shift their focus toward love and positivity. This heightened awareness not only enhances personal transformation, but also contributes to a collective elevation of consciousness. Ultimately, the heart center serves as a powerful tool for transmuting energies, guiding individuals toward a more harmonious and enlightened existence. Jesus' teachings on recognizing one's own divinity emphasize the inherent spiritual potential within each individual, often addressing the concept of spiritual amnesia. This notion refers to the forgetfulness of our true nature, where individuals become disconnected from their divine essence due to societal conditioning, fear, and limiting beliefs. Spiritual amnesia can significantly impact self-awareness, leading people to identify primarily with their ego or external circumstances, rather than their inner truth. Jesus encouraged his followers to remember their divine origins, reminding them that they are made in the image of the Creator and possess the capacity for love, compassion, and wisdom. Central to this understanding is the importance of gnosis, or experiential knowledge, which allows individuals to grasp their divine nature on a deeper level. Gnosis transcends intellectual understanding, inviting seekers to engage in a transformative journey of self-discovery. Through practices such as meditation, contemplation, and prayer, individuals can cultivate a direct experience of their divinity, fostering a profound sense of connection to the divine source. Christ consciousness plays a crucial role in awakening individuals to their true selves. This state of awareness embodies unconditional love, compassion, and unity, serving as a guiding light for those seeking to transcend their limitations. By embodying Christ consciousness, individuals can break free from the chains of spiritual amnesia, embracing their divine nature and recognizing their interconnectedness with all beings. Ultimately, Jesus' teachings inspire a journey of self-realization, encouraging individuals to awaken to their inherent divinity and live authentically in alignment with their true essence. In this video, we explored the profound significance of Christ consciousness. In the context of spiritual awakening, we emphasize that Christ consciousness serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path toward deeper understanding, love, and unity with all beings. This state of awareness encourages individuals to transcend limiting beliefs and embrace their divine nature, fostering personal transformation and collective evolution. We also highlighted the importance of discernment and wisdom in navigating one's spiritual journey as seekers. It is essential to cultivate the ability to discern truth from illusion, allowing for informed choices that align with one's higher purpose. By integrating discernment into spiritual practice, individuals can enhance their understanding and deepen their connection to Christ consciousness, ultimately leading to a more harmonious existence. As we conclude, we invite you to reflect on the insights shared and consider how you can apply these teachings in your own life. Embracing Christ consciousness and practicing discernment can profoundly impact your spiritual growth and awareness. If you found this video enlightening, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others who may benefit from this exploration. By doing so, you help create a community of seekers dedicated to spiritual awakening and understanding together. We can continue to delve into these transformative concepts and support one another on our journeys toward greater consciousness and unity. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more related content with you soon.